11 recovered people have donated their plasma in Goa state, says Health Minister Vishwajit Rane. Vishwajit Rane on 21st July 2020 took to social media and informed more about the same. Here's the post shared by Health Minister Vishwajit Rane on 21st July 2020. It gives me immense pleasure to inform that as of today, we have received 11 COVID recovered patients who volunteered to donate their convalescent plasma. Our plasma donation appeal is slowly pacing forward. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the 11 donors for their noble gesture and selfless contribution in this fight against COVID-19. I would like to reiterate and appeal to all the patients who have recovered 28 days ago that it is your time to be a COVID warrior. Be wise and donate plasma, says Health Minister Vishwajit Rane. Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, while briefing media on 22nd July 2020, urged more COVID warriors to come forward and support their noble cause of saving lives by donating their plasma.
हांव जे पॉझिटिव्ह जावन रिकवर जाले तांच्यांनी प्लाझ्मा डोनेशना खातीर फुडें येवपाक जाय. आमी ज्यो कंडिशन्स आसा म्हणजे तो कोमॉर्बिड कंडिशन आसपाक जायना, 18 to 60 एज ग्रुपान आसपाक जाय, ताका डायबिटीज नी कसलेच बाकीचे दुयेंस आसपाक जायना, तो हेल्दी आसपाक जाय. आनी आफ्टर द रिकवर 14 days आनी कोणी आनी आमच्या कडेन जे नवीन मशीन हाडला तातूंतल्यान ब्लड भायर घेतल्या उपरांत फक्त प्लाझ्मा रिमूव केलो वता आनी ब्लड परत पुश केलें वता. त्या खातीर प्लाझ्मा डोनेट करपा खातीर कोणीच भिवचें न्ही. म्हाका दिसता जो रिकवर जाला 14 days रिकवरीच्या उपरांत बाकीच्या लोकां खातीर प्लाझ्मा डोनेट करपा खातीर फुडें येवचें. हांव सगळ्या जाणांक सांगता कारण आमकां बाकीच्या लोकांक जर हेल्प करपाक जाय आसत जाल्यार फुडें येवपाची गरज आसा.
Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.